Reignite the Wild Forgotten with Bonnie Christine's latest fabric collection through earthy colors and whimsical prints. Several words from the natural world like doe and dandelion were removed from the dictionary to make room for our children's new vocabulary, and this collection will reignite the use of those words in our home and help our children remember the wild once forgotten. This collection has a special story. As Bonnie shared with us, a few years ago, a well-known children's dictionary had to remove several unused words to make room for our children's new vocabulary like broadband, chat room, and blog. You see, with limited space, a children's dictionary can only represent the words most commonly used by our youth. This collection keeps these wild words alive in our children's language. Bring these prints to life with our Nature Stroll free quilt pattern that's filled with hexagon shapes that can be easily sewn together with one simple template. In the description box below, you'll find a link to our Wild Forgotten Fabric Lookbook, where you'll discover tons of patchwork projects you can recreate that are featured right in this video, like tons of quilts, home decor, and more. Make some room in your fabric stash for all the substrates offered in this collection, like the 2 knits, 1 rayon, 1 canvas, and 2 flannel prints. There is something available for any craft. Looking for matching blender fabrics? Check out these picks that range from pure solids to floral elements. You can find a full list of the names of the fabrics in the description box below. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel to stay up to date with the latest collections. And until next time, happy sewing!